Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade chicken pickle. This recipe is incredibly easy and yields a super flavorful condiment that you can enjoy for weeks. We will go through each step, from selecting the right chicken to perfectly blending the spices, ensuring your homemade pickle is a delicious success. Get ready to create a culinary masterpiece with just a few simple ingredients and about 1 hour of your time. To begin, let's gather our key ingredients. You will need 1 kilogram of boneless chicken, cut into small, bite-sized pieces. For the aromatic base, have 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger garlic paste ready. We will also use 1 cup of cooking oil, along with essential spices like red chili powder, turmeric, garam masala, and salt to taste. These simple items are all you need for a truly delicious pickle. Now, let's dive into the cooking process. First, marinate your chicken pieces with a pinch of turmeric, some salt, and the ginger garlic paste for about 30 minutes. Next, heat a generous amount of oil in a pan and fry the marinated chicken until it turns a beautiful golden brown and is cooked through. Remove the chicken, then in the same oil, sauté your whole spices before adding chili powder and the fried chicken back in. For the perfect finish, add a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice to your chicken pickle. This brightens the flavors and adds a wonderful tang. Once thoroughly mixed, let the pickle cool down completely to room temperature. Then, transfer it into a clean, airtight glass jar. Stored in a cool, dry place, your delicious homemade chicken pickle will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 2 months, ready to be enjoyed anytime.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.